I get shivering in the body. Can you give me any suggestion? Shivering is good. Very Prakash, shivering is not bad. Shivering started after dynamic. Because of dynamic, it is just shivering. Before that also. It is not because of dynamic. Okay. Okay, you meet me personally. Huh? Because many more questions I have to ask. People will feel bad, if I become personal to you here. प्यारे गुरुदेव, आपसे डर भी लगता है और आपके साथ बहुत अच्छा भी लगता है। हो जाए। ये मेरी समझ में नहीं आया। सबको लगता है डर। कई बार मेरे को भी लगता है मुझसे। ये सबको ऐसा हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है समझ में नहीं आ रहा। किसी को पता हो तो बताओ। ये तेरे को नहीं है, निष्काम को है, अपना मनीष को है, तन्मय को है, सबको है। जो भी मेरे आसपास हो तो पता नहीं क्यों डरते हुए और छोड़ते भी नहीं मेरे को। भागते भी नहीं। मैं बहुत चेष्टा करता हूँ कि भाग जाए। भागते हैं थोड़े दिन, हफ्ता 2 हफ्ते, फिर आ जाते। जैसे गर्लफ्रेंड रूठ जाती है ना, ऐसे। जाने न जाने क्यों ये लिखते हुए हेजिटेशन एंड फियर होता है। मेरी समझ में एक बात आती है, क्यों मेरे से डरते हैं। क्योंकि मैं तुम्हारी संभावना हूं। हृदय, आत्मा तो चाहती है कि वो इस दिशा में आगे बढ़े, मन नहीं चाहता। मन पीछे खींचता है। क्योंकि मेरे साथ आने में मन की मौत है। और जो टिके हुए हैं मेरे साथ कुछ दिन से, उनकी हालत अभी भी वो मेरे से डरते। इवन मधुकर भी मेरे से डरता। हालांकि मैं किसी को नहीं डराता बाबा। मैं कोई ऐसा कोई बघियाड़ लुगियाड़ कोई शेर बेर नहीं है। मैं किसी को नहीं डराता, लेकिन फिर भी लोग डरते। तो मेरे लिए भी ये एक पहेली है कि ऐसा मेरे में क्या है। वो कई बार चेहरा देखता हूँ शीशे में जाके, तो चेहरा तो ठीक ठाक लगता है, और मेरी जो बोलने की टोन है, भाषा है, इसमें लगता है कि कोई मैं गड़बड़ आदमी हूं। और सबको बहुत निकट लेने की कोशिश करता हूं। हालांकि नुकसान मेरे को बहुत होता है उससे, क्योंकि मेरे को टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड बहुत करते हैं। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं डरते हैं। तो लगता यही है कि मन डरता है, पर आत्मा, हृदय साथ रहना चाहता है। तो ये द्वंद्व सतत बना रहता है। आत्मा खिलना चाहती है तो इको होती है कि नहीं। आत्मा वहीं जाती है जहां उसकी संभावना हो। अब मन नजदीक नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि मन तो मरेगा। फिर परिवर्तन, तुम जैसे हो, मेरी ओर से तुम स्वीकृत हो वैसे ही, लेकिन तुम मेरे पास आते हो, इसका यही मतलब है कि तुम अपने मन से पार जाना चाहते हो। तो मतलब ये कि कुछ परिवर्तन करना पड़ेगा। परिवर्तन चाहते हो। चीजें जैसी हैं वैसी तुम्हें स्वीकृत नहीं है, मुझे स्वीकृत है। कल वो नीरव जी का प्रश्न था कि मैं मास्टरबेशन भी करता हूँ और पोर्नोग्राफी भी देखता हूँ, तो मैंने तो कुछ बुरा नहीं कहा उनको। मैंने कहा अच्छा करते, थोड़ा और भी करो। तुम जैसे भी हो, कहीं काट पीट नहीं है। बल्कि जो भी तुम कर रहे हो, तुम कहो कि मैं चोरी करता हूं, चोरी छोड़ना चाहता हूं, तो मैं कहूंगा चोरी करना तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि चोर में एक खूबी होती है, बहुत अलर्ट होता है। चोरी करना बड़े ध्यान का काम है, आम आदमी नहीं कर सकता, कर सकता है, बड़े साहस का काम है। कहीं पकड़ा गया तो फिर सब लेने के देने पड़ जाएंगे, फिर भी हिम्मत करता है। तो चोर में गुण होते हैं, बड़ा गुणी होता है। तो मैं उसको कहूंगा तू चोरी कर, लेकिन ध्यानपूर्वक कर, पकड़े मत जाना। तुम कहो कि मैं संत बनना चाहता हूं, मैं कहता वाह भाई वाह, ये तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है, बनो संत, कौन मना कर रहा है, क्या बाधा है, चलो बाधा हटा देते। गुरु के पास आके या ऐसे व्यक्ति के पास आके जो अपने पास आ गया है, तुम्हारी जो भी संभावना है अच्छी या बुरी, वो खिल सकती है। अब अच्छी या बुरी मैं दोनों कह रहा हूं, वैसे अच्छा बुरा कुछ नहीं होता। अब करेला होता है और आम होता है, आम आम होता है, करेला करेला होता है। अब तुम कहो कि करेला कड़वा है और आम मीठा है, तो करेला जो है करेला ही होगा ना, आम तो नहीं होगा ना। तो करेला अगर करेला होने से राजी हो जाए तो इट इज इक्वल टू आम। ना करेले को आम होने की जरूरत है, ना आम को करेला होने की जरूरत है, दोनों ठीक तो है। तो जो तुम हो, तुम अपनी निजता को पा जाओ, कुल इतनी ही तो ध्यान की यात्रा है। तो सदगुरु के पास, जागृत पुरुष के पास, जीवन मुक्त के पास तुम्हारी जो भी संभावना है वो खिलने लगती है, और तुम्हारा जो द्वंद है वो निरस्त होने लगता है, वो धीरे धीरे घटने लगता है। और ये अकेला प्रेम का रिश्ता है, बाकी सब नाम है प्रेम का। ये है प्रेम का रिश्ता, ये है दो। प्रेम घट सकता है गुरु और शिष्य के बीच, और कहीं नहीं घट सकता, संभव नहीं है। प्रेम हम कहते हैं, चलो प्रेम कह लो, दूसरे ढंग से कहते हैं, ये उच्चतर प्रेम है और वो निम्नतर प्रेम, उसका तल नीचे का है। वो ग्राउंड फ्लोर का प्रेम है, ये 10th फ्लोर का प्रेम। या जितनी मंजिल हो, 100 मंजिल हो तो फिर 100 मंजिल गिरना, लास्ट मंजिल है। क्योंकि मूल रूप से निस्वार्थ है। गुरु को शिष्य की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर किसी गुरु को शिष्य की जरूरत है तो वो गुरु ही नहीं है। हो जाए जरा, देखो गुरु गुरु की दोस्ती नहीं हो सकती। क्यों नहीं हो सकती? क्योंकि दोनों गुरु हैं, दोनों को जरूरत ही नहीं है, दोनों अपनी जगह सेट है, फिट है, हिट है, सुपर हिट, बराबर। क्यों सर जी पीछे क्यों बैठते हो? देखो पीछे बैठते हैं। दो ज्ञानी आपस में बात नहीं करते, इसलिए नहीं कि कोई वैर है, इसलिए नहीं करते क्योंकि जरूरत नहीं है, बराबर। दो अज्ञानी बहुत बात करते हैं, ना ये जानता ना वो जानता, बस बोले जाते हैं। दो अज्ञानियों में बड़ी मैत्री चलती है, वेट करते हैं कि अच्छा इसकी बात खत्म हो तो मैं अपनी शुरू करूं। हाँ के जाते हैं अपनी 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 अपनी, बहुत चर्चा करते हैं लेकिन कहीं पहुंच नहीं सकते, क्योंकि दोनों कुछ नहीं जानते। दो ज्ञानी सब जानते हैं, कुछ बात करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, उनको भी पता है उसको भी पता है। दो अज्ञानी को कुछ पता नहीं, खूब चर्चा करते हैं। लेकिन एक ज्ञानी हो एक अज्ञानी हो, ज्ञानी मदद करने को तैयार हो, अज्ञानी मदद लेने को तैयार हो, तो सितार और तबला, मनीष एंड जोशुआ। बड़ा अच्छा संगीत होता है फिर। हम्म। बीच बीच में तबला उतर जाता है, फिर कसना पड़ता है उसे। तो जो तेरे को हो रहा है उसे लगता है कि तू भी कहीं ना कहीं जाल में आ गया, फंस गया है। गुरु के पास कोई जाल नहीं होता, लेकिन फिर भी गुरु एक जाल होता है। उसके पास कोई भी मछली नजदीक आई कि गई उसमें। ऐसा है। अब इसमें मछली भागने की लाख कोशिश करे, नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि जाल जो है वो पकड़ता नहीं है। गुरु एक ऐसा जाल है जो तुमको नहीं पकड़ता। तुमको जिधर जाना है जाओ बाबा, खुली छुट्टी है, क्योंकि वो जानता है फिर तुम लौट के आओगे। तुम आओगे, तुम्हारी जरूरत तुमको ले आएगी, तुम्हारी आत्मा तुमको खींची खींच के ले आएगी। ये प्रेम का संबंध है, ये प्रेम है। और इसको चाहो तो तुम दो तरफा प्रेम कह लो। गुरु का प्रेम भी है, शिष्य का प्रेम भी है। गुरु चाहता है कि शिष्य का मंगल हो, शिष्य चाहता है कि वो जाग जाए, वो गुरु जैसा हो जाए, गुरु के रंग में रंगा जाए। न जाने क्यों ये लिखते हुए हेजिटेशन एंड फियर होता है, क्या जानना है इसमें होता है, ये स्वाभाविक है। बहुत दिनों से आपसे संन्यास लेने का मन करता है। अब जो फॉर्मल संन्यास होता है वो तो मैं देता नहीं, मेरे पास माला ही नहीं होती। मैं अनऑथराइज्ड हूँ इनर सर्कल की तरफ से। कहीं से माला ले आओ, मैं दे देता हूँ संन्यास, नो प्रॉब्लम। Beloved Master, my heartfelt gratitudes. In Dukem, each and everything, specially the words came out of you, has made tremendous effect, and the very attitude, approach, way of looking at life by me was completely changed. In fact, I was shattered into pieces. You had finished me almost. But Gurudev, in this camp, I feel that I getting stronger. I getting stronger. But Gurudev, in this camp, I feel that ego I, getting stronger. That is right. You causing me no effect. I feel that whatever you say, I already understand it. Your talks look like repetitive, sometimes feel like running away from the camp. I was almost finished in Dev camp, but here I am getting stronger. How you are getting stronger? You are finished already. How you get stronger? Maybe you are assuming. Maybe you are dreaming. Because now you have an expectation which you in Dev camp, no expectation. You are fresh. Here you want to repeat the past. You have made an image. Now here everything is changed. गंगा में बहुत पानी बह गया है, आगे चला गया है। गंगा खड़ी नहीं है, the river is flowing all the time. So you have to float with the river. If you are living with the memory, with the past, then You can feel anything. Now, three, four people came to me. Yesterday, Bhola came to me. He told me, Gurudev, where D was finished, this camp has begun. It means he is fresh. It is not repetition. I may look the same, you may look the same. The meditation techniques we are doing may look the same, but the whole thing is totally different. And if you are fresh, you will realize it. But if you are stuck in some memory, if you have made some expectation, then this is going to happen. Actually, each camp is ahead of the last camp, though it may not appear same when you look at it. When I was conducting some 10-day camp after 80s, after 90s, that was the second phase when Osho disappeared from the body. And again I started conducting meditation camps. And there was a struggle with the inner circle. So sometime I was afraid because camp takes such a height. I was surprised that what will happen in the next camp. Will we come down? Because 10-day camp, slowly, one day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, it was like gradual. 10-day, it was a different peak. It was going like that. But next camp had a different peak. Then I understood that if you see mountains, there are many peaks. And each peak has its own beauty. There is no need to compare. There is no need, there is no fear of coming down. Each camp can take its own peak and contains its own beauty. So you should be fresh, present, living in the present, not living in the past. Somewhere, Venu sir, you are living in the past. That is why I getting stronger, you causing me no effect. What effect do you want? You tell me. I have done my work, basic work. Now you are going to hang near me. Whether you feel this or you feel that. Running away is not possible, sir. Oh, yes, sir. You got married to me. That is the problem. Why we get married? The immediate effect is things are taken for granted. The moment you are acquainted, the moment you are near, now you think you know everything. You know nothing, sir. You think you know your wife? No. She is the greatest mystery ever. You too, for her. But you are bored with each other. Why you are bored? Acquaintance somewhere creates some phenomena where things are taken for granted. Then the relationship becomes sour or start deteriorating. You need to learn how to remain fresh even with your wife. Oh yeah, not with Gurudev only. It is possible. And what I say, sir, Remember well, I am not talking bookish thing. I am talking only my own experience. I am sharing what I have gone through. A relationship can remain fresh forever and ever. From my side, I am not bored of you. Have you ever felt? You may be bored of me because you think you have understood me. I am not yet understood, though I am called awakened one. I have not yet understand myself how you can understand me. Oh yeah, is it possible? I am discovering myself again and again, more and more, new and new, every moment. When I go near the plants, near the creepers, each time I go, I am surprised. The same way, when I look at me, though I cannot look at me physically, I cannot make myself object. But there is a way to look at. I surprise myself. Madhukar feels it many times. Madhukar is with me more than 25 years and he is not yet bored with me. Oh, yeah. We play 10 games in a day, chess, and we are not bored with each other. If you make the image and keep it in your head, then this may happen like repetitive. A guru is a repetition in one way. He sings the same song again and again. He knows only one thing: be present. Just become a presence. You are not present. All the time, psychologically, you are absent. And he teaches you by his own very presence that just become present. The moment you are present, you are all, you are whole, you are the one. Just now you think that you exist in the body, but that is not the case. This whole universe exists in you. The moment you become present, you will start having glimpses. Just now you feel that you are caged in the body, you live in the body. No, sir. Body lives in you, not only your body. All it is because of my speech. Okay, I will take care now. All the bodies in this universe, this whole universe exists in you, sir, whether you trust or not. That is a different thing. And somewhere your soul knows that. Your mind may say, this is impossible, how it is possible? But that is the case. And every awakened one has the same experience. You are not what you appear to be. You are not what you believe in, what you think of yourself. You are something more. The very substratum, beyond time, beyond space. Space exists in you, time exists in you. You are prior to it. Why is this Gurudev? What is happening in me? Whatsoever is happening, let it happen. The process is happening. When you come near to me, the process starts. What is the process? The process is that the controller in you, the holder in you, the doer in you becomes a little relaxed. And then your unconscious starts surfacing. Then the turmoil starts. Go through this turmoil because this is a cleansing process. This is a churning. After the churning, the butter will be out from the curd. What is coming in the way of participating more intensely? Everything is just perfect. Venugopal sir, don't worry. Beloved Gurudev, the state of love which Osho speaks about can only happen with myself or Paramatma. Paramatma, that is what my feeling is. Yes, with Paramatma it can happen because you don't see him. So you can assume. When the Paramatma is present in the form of somebody, then and in the form also there is Paramatma. All the form comes from Paramatma. Not only come from Paramatma, they are actually Paramatma. Neither you believe nor the other form believes. That is the problem. The state of love which Osho speaks about can only happen with myself. Tricky. The whole thing is moving round and round. Can happen with myself. You are two or one. You are love. When you will just discover, you will see the state of being is God, love, nothing but love. In that state, mind disappears, only self remains. And self is totally undivided. It is not me and it is not me and God. It is not I and the other. It is but come into your being. Then you will understand that that being is nothing but the very energy of God. Can it ever happen with anybody else? Anybody disappears. If anybody remains, It is here. Here is I, there is you. When I disappears, you disappears. What remains? Only love. That is love. When there is no other. When I am saying, don't confuse yourself. When I am saying other disappears, I don't mean as a farm. Farm are always many. There is a saying, one assertion in Upanishad, Eko ham bahu sayam. I alone am became many. It is an assertion from the Absolute, from the Supreme God, from the Supreme Being. Eko ham, I alone am, became many. If I became many, it is all me, isn't it? सब परमात्मा का रूप है, सब उसके रूप है। सोना है तुम्हारे पास, you have a gold, this much gold. Now gold is gold. Gold is just gold. Make as many ornament as you want. Make this, make this, make this, make this, make this. But basically you call it this bangle, this is nothing, this is something else, this is earring. But actually what it is? Actually what it is? Gold. He may be Rajendra, he may be Manish, he may be Manoj, Smita, but basically what? This form may differ, but the being, the essence is all one. Call it God, call it love, call it supreme being, call it absolute, whatever you want to call. But when you see something, you are stuck at the form, and the form will say it is a bangle. Now what is this? You will say kurta. Really it is a kurta. When it was not stitched, what it was? Cloth. Really it was cloth. That is how we make mistake. A awakened one brings you prior to stage. And the joke is, it is a cosmic joke. The moment you stand prior to everything, you function as same, but the whole phenomena is changed. Your total understanding transformed. You are out of the rut, not confused, no conflict, no struggle. Deep down, you are playing the role. The role, what is needed to be played, you are totally present, responding, not choosing anything, playing the role, but deep down, totally different phenomena. Why it is great difficult to reflect the divine qualities which are attained through meditation. Why it is great difficult to reflect the divine qualities which are attained through meditation while interacting with intimately related ones. Please help me. Naina, just go on walking. Charaveti, Charaveti. Don't conclude so fast. Don't expect so fast. Things will happen. Slowly, slowly, let the season come. Grass will grow itself and the flower will also come. If there is a desire to relate intimately with, with the loved one, that too will happen. But wait. See, when a question comes from a woman, it is always about love. Oh, yeah. Her total meditation is love. When it comes from a man like Venugopal, his total love is meditation. That is how things are. A man cannot understand the language of love. He understands the language of meditation. A woman cannot understand the language of meditation. It understands the language of love. Actually, when meditation flowers, it becomes love. Actually, when love flowers, it becomes meditation. So when you both flower, you as love, he as meditation, you will become meditation, he will become love. So you play star, he will play tabla. हो जाए. Antonio always asks very smart question. I am very happy. I am not to talk much. Very simple, straight question. No philosophy, nothing. When we think to someone, though his language is Italian, like my English, when your English and my English same. Yes. हो जाए. When we think to someone, is possible that in the same moment he or she is thinking to us. Yes, possible. Telepathy exists? Yes, exists. Thank you, Antano. Thank you, Gurudev.